Welcome to TechViews 10X. We're talking about India's AI gold rush, a nearly $67 billion bet. Yep, $67.5 billion. That's what US tech giants are pouring into India's AI infrastructure.
So why India? Why are they building the future of AI there? This is a huge deal.
They're building these massive data centers. Think of them as the brand new factories for the entire AI age. And check out who's involved. It's the big three. Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are leading the charge.
So why now? Well, it's kind of a perfect storm of factors, from surging data to new government rules.
And get this, India creates almost 20% of the world's data, but has less than 5% of the storage.
This massive investment is closing that gap fast. A whole new digital ecosystem is being built.
But this isn't just about big tech. This AI boom creates huge opportunities for your business.
So how can you actually use this AI revolution to make money and grow your own business?
That's where we come in. You'll want to check out techviews1x.com to get started.
We give you the practical know-how to use AI, helping you build and scale your business online.
And hey, don't just take our word for it. Experts are calling this one of the biggest investments ever. Look, the AI future is built today. The real question is, are you going to be a part of it?
For more insights just like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching.